This video will show you two ways that you can promote Digistore24 products for free. I'll explain everything in this one video. So if you're a beginner to Digistore24 and internet marketing, this video will be super valuable, so make sure you watch it all the way until the end. So first, what you need to do is go to Digistore24 and sign up for a free account in the top right hand corner. Once you've done that, you can then log in and you'll then be taken to the affiliate marketplace where you can choose products here through all of these categories to promote. Now, there are certain categories that I wouldn't promote in, and yeah, I would choose these categories here. So if you're trying to make decent money and you want to make it easier for yourself, I will promote a product in the internet and e-business niche or the fitness and health niche. Now, some of these other niches can work as well, like business and investment. Well, that's basically the same thing, but don't go and promote a product in dance and music or games and fun or fashion, because these just don't convert. The best ones are the make money online products and the fitness products. So promote those products, and that's tip number one. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to choose a product. So I'm in the internet and e-business niche, and you can filter these by sales rank or popularity and so on, and you can find a product. Now, I like to promote products which aren't too expensive, because with free traffic, people aren't going to spend, let's say here, over $200 on a product. So we're going to scroll down here, and I guess we'll choose this one here, Secret Millionaire Bot. It's the #1 make money online offer, and you can see here that you get $19 on average in commissions. So we're going to go ahead and open this in a new window, and we'll just check it out. So here is the landing page, and you can see it's only a $17 product. So it's going to convert really well because people can just buy this on impulse. So what we need to do is we need to go ahead and grab our link for this offer. So our link's here, so we'll just go ahead and copy this. So just click on it and you can then, and it will then copy to the clipboard. So now what we're going to do is we're going to first shorten our link. Now I recommend that you go to tinyurl.com. Now you can use a paid domain to shorten your link. It will be a lot better, but just for the sake of the video, we'll use a free URL shortener like tinyurl.com. The reason that we're going to do this is because so people don't see it's a Digistore24 link. So we're going to go to tinyurl, we're going to then paste in this link, and you can change the alias here. So this is going to be a tinyurl.com/link, and you can then write what appears after the /. So this is a Secret Millionaire Bot product, so I'll just type in here secret money making product. I'll make tinyurl, and some of these here you are going to be taken, so you're going to have to be quite creative with what you choose. This one happens to be available. So now we've got our affiliate link, which will redirect to this product, and if someone buys, we're going to earn a 50% commission, which on average is $19. So we can now copy this link. Now here are two free traffic sources that you can use as a beginner to affiliate marketing, which don't require you to show your face or pay any money. Now the first one is going to be Twitter. Now I really like Twitter because recently Elon Musk has kind of changed the algorithm, and it's allowed anyone really to add value and create a good tweet or create a thread of tweets and get really high views on these threads. This thread here is a make money online thread, and it's someone explaining how you can make $100 to $300 per week. And this tweet here has 155,000 views, organic views of people who want to make money online. Now you can see they go into detail here and explain different ways to make money online. So they're talking about selling stuff on Fiverr, web development, copywriting, and you can see all of these individual tweets. This one has 8,000 views, this one has 7,000, and this one also has 7,000 as well. Now at the end of this, he's selling his own product, and on a link to his own product, he's got 3,000 views. Now, if you just go to Twitter and you search for make money online, like I've done here, you'll see people who are making threads like this with not that many followers. So this person's got 16,000, so it's not a great example. But we can find people here who are writing threads, just like this person here, with only 2,000 followers, who's getting 9,000 followers on their tweets. Now, even if you don't know anything about making money online, like let's say you don't know enough to be writing tweets like this, and you don't know how to add enough value. Well, here's what you can do, and you can use an online AI tool called ChatGPT to actually write the tweets for you. Now, if this doesn't sound great for you, Just stay tuned a couple more minutes and I'll show you a better one, which is going to be aimed at more beginners. But you can use ChatGPT to write these tweets, and here's how. So if you go to Google and you type in ChatGPT, you can then go ahead and go to ChatGPT, which is a free AI bot. Click on Try ChatGPT and you can sign up for a free account. Now, once you're inside of the bot, you can then ask ChatGPT anything. So let's say, give me 5 ways to make money online in short form. And then let's say we wanted to make a tweet about 5 ways to make money online. Well, here are our 5 ways. So our tweet number 1, if we were making a tweet thread like this one I showed you as an example, our first tweet would be how to make $500 online. And then our second tweet would be these 5 ways here. Then our third tweet might be expand on number 1. And then our third tweet is going to be this here. So essentially what you're doing is you're getting ChatGPT to write your tweets for you. Obviously, you can only write so many words on Twitter, so you could tell it to shorten this down a bit, which is no problem. We'll just say shorten this so it's long enough for a tweet. And there you go, we've got it short enough so it's longer for a tweet. So you can see how powerful this can be, and you can make these Twitter threads. And obviously you do this for every method here. And then at the end of the Twitter thread, you can say something like, if you want a free bot, which is going to make you money and earn you commissions online, then try out this link here. And then you would just simply put your affiliate link. So you can copy your affiliate link and you could go ahead and paste it in. And these threads are getting good views, organic views, and that's 100% free traffic. And by the way, to make these Twitter threads, you just go to tweet. You can then start writing out your tweet. So let's say here, so that will be tweet number 1. And then you can go ahead and add tweet number 2 here with this plus icon. And then you go ahead and enter in these and then enter in all of your content. Well, that's method number 1. Method number 2 is to go to Facebook. And because we're promoting a make money online product, we want to go ahead and search for make money online. And when we do that, and if we go to groups here, we can then join these groups, which are full of people who want to make money online. Now, don't worry, we're not going to be spamming our link. We're going to be doing something else. So you're in the group, you then go to people, and if you scroll down here, you'll see all of these people who are new to the group who have just joined. So this person has joined 2 minutes ago. So making money online is on their mind right now. So if we go ahead and open their profile in a new tab, what we can do is we can message them. So go to message, and we can message them and start to build a conversation with them and basically pitch them our product which we're promoting, which is the Millionaire Bot. So you can say something like, hey, I've seen you join the Make Money Online group. I've got a product which I'm using, which is working for me. If you want to check it out, here's the link. And you can do this for hundreds of people who have recently just joined in these groups. Some of these are going to convert into paying customers of this product. And if they do, you're going to earn sales with Digistore24 and make on average around $19 every time someone buys. So those are 2 ways that you can promote Digistore24 products for free. Let me know if you've got any comments in the comment section below.